Good morning, everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. Do not adjust your screen. That's on my end. The humidity out here, it's like working for an aquarium company, except it's outside and it's all the time. I have crevices of my body that have never sweat this bad or had rashes like this before. Diane and I are dying out here, guys. We're not adapting to the heat or humidity at all. And we're not even to summer yet. It's not even the first day of summer yet. The Naughty Bus. It's time, guys. We're just rocking and rolling. That's why I came here, to get stuff done. Today, we're going to be insulating the ceiling of the Naughty Bus. Need some AC. Can see up here, we've attempted to try to use this really affordable insulation. Yeah, it is insulation, even though when I picked it up at Salvage World, everybody thought I just bought some weird material that's not insulation. No, it's got an R value, as a matter of fact. It is R6.5 Type 800 FRK. And there's the number, if you want to pause and look that stuff up. It is commercial grade insulation, compressed insulation, and sound deadening. Hey, I was excited when we got to Salvage World because I knew what it was. It is, there's a better view. It's compressed fiberglass insulation. It can get kind of messy. It's got the silver side. So again, some people would say put this to the people. So like if this were going to go in the wall, you'd put this facing us like this. Some people would say, no, the reflectives is for the heat. You put that up against the ceiling like that, which I'm torn. I want to put reflectives up. The directions always say the reflectix goes towards us. But yeah, and that's the sound deadening. So it's very, very compressed. In order to get a 6.5 R value, this should be like 5 times as thick, but it's already compressed. But one of the things we noticed, Billy and I, is that it doesn't bend quite as much as we wanted it to. It's not as flexible as we had hoped it was going to be. So we thought we could just do a slice and then cut out these ribs and blah blah blah. But no, it looks like I'm going to have to go square by square, and it's itchy, guys. I mean, you know, it's fiberglass insulation. Yeah, it is going to be incredibly itchy. I'd like to start on this next. Fans are kicking on. I guess they've got the ACs. It's comfortable though, so yeah, okay, well. Don't worry, put my shirt back on. It's warm and humid out there. It's nice in here. 68 degrees inside the naughty bus. Just started knocking it out, guys. Again, R6.5 value. R6.5 value. Eric, those insulation panels don't have any R value. Gotta cut in real quick, guys. I'm actually editing the video right now, so I'll splice this in real quick. I've been searching for these insulation sound deadening boards, and I finally found them just for reference. These are the exact ones, duct board case of 4x10 sheets, exactly what I got. 1.5 inch thickness, R6, for 4 sheets is $1,295. Plus shipping, if you're not picking them up like I picked them up. So divide $1,295 by 4, that is $323.75 per sheet that I just got for, what was that again? $15 a sheet? Yes! Yes! I've been super motivated. I've been awful snacky today. I've been snacking like crazy. I did take my Gruns gummies for health, but look at this, guys. Look at this! Woo-wee! Half the bus is done. Been knocking it out. Billy don't want to help me with this one because this stuff sucks when you're putting it up there and eating insulate. It's fiberglass insulation, guys. You know, if you know, you know. I'm just putting my shirt back on, but I am sticky, itchy. I cannot wait to take a shower. Half the bus is completely insulated. Oh, except that one little spot right there. It's just a lot of small cuts. Like I said, I got a super good deal on this sound deadening compressed fiberglass insulation board, commercial grade. No bus on earth has this insulation in their ceiling. So tomorrow I'll start and finish the rest. I actually got 2 panels back here that every one of these is different. So, oh yeah. Been watching YouTube as I work, cutting panels outside. I need to go take a shower. Oh, thank you, Mr. Cool. I know we've been through a lot, but you have been incredibly dependable as of late, now that I've figured you out and your quirks. Guys want to see the kitties? Kitties are over in the Bigfoot. Well, Diana and I are going to sleep in the house tonight. Not our house, Billy and Michelle's house. We have a room inside their house. So we're gonna sleep inside. I'm gonna take a shower. Then I'll come back out, feed the kitties, and show you all the babies. Sorry I forgot to show you the babies when I got back from my little vacation. This is gonna work fine. This is gonna work fine. It's all gonna be okay, guys. I promise it's all gonna be okay. Chunks, come here. Oh, man. You guys can't tell over the past few months, Mr. Chunks and I have grown quite a relationship, quite a bond. This boy, when we got this is Chunks and Gizmo is his brother. We got them from Aberdeen, Washington. They were rescues. This guy is huge, guys. This orange boy is the most quirkiest. I'm not gonna say he's my favorite cat in here. I do feel like him and I have a very unique bond compared to like me and Opie, for that matter. Opie's still my dude. Opie's my ham. But Chunks, well, Chunks was actually Diana's kitty. Diana picked Chunks and named Chunks. I got Gizmo. Actually, you look on the floor, look what Gizmo, this is literally how he lays all the time, with his feet outstretched like this. It doesn't look comfortable, but I guess it's comfortable. He's a funny boy. And Opie's over here on the dinette sofa, just watching me, inspecting me, making sure I do everything the right way all the time. He's perfectly okay with giving me some time with Chunks. And where's Tara? We all know. Yep, driver's seat. She loves that little seat I put right there in the driver's seat. That's her spot, away from everybody. She's like Yang. I'm gonna leave the cats in here and go hang out with Diana tonight in the house. I've got my RV. Diana's got her bus. I've got my bus. But we have this room. And it's climate controlled and it's cozy and it's nautical themed. Although we sometimes differ on the comfortable setting on our air conditioner here. I'm more of a 70. You're more of a 75-ish. Mm-hmm. So we compromise. We compromise and we set this puppy to 73. That way we're both happy. I told Diana though, if we had a house and like a central air and every room was the same, 70 would be my go-to. Yeah. I could just live day, night, 70. I'd probably be pretty happy. But sometimes you just need a break from being outside, and 62 feels pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. For you.
Sometimes. Not always. You want to watch some Vikings tonight?
Yeah.
That's the only show that we only watch together. Both have Netflix. We got right now. Hulu. We're all watching our own shows, but when we're in here, we watch Vikings. Yeah. It's pretty good. So, anyways, I'll get back to you guys in the morning with more updates on the insulation. Hopefully we can get that all figured out. And by the way, sometimes I need a break from the cats too. Yeah. I love them to death. 4 cats in that Bigfoot is a little much. So tonight, no kitties. I love them though.
And tell them the reason why we can't bring the cats in here.
Oh yeah, we would bring the cats in here, but this is still a work in progress. And we have Gracie, the pit bull, and we have how many?
Birds.
6 birds.
Yeah, and there's no doors.
Yeah, and there's no door, so it's just a curtain right there. Still working on this house. They've done a lot. But with the birds in here, there's no way we can have cats in here. The birds have free range. The kitties would be a little too curious about the birds. Yang too.
The birds.
Yeah, it would not work. It would not work. Although I would love to have a parrot. I know my cats would not allow me to have a parrot.
Nope.
So, all right, guys, we'll get back to you in the morning. All right, guys, it is the next day. It is about 3 o'clock, and this has just been a very tedious process. Just about done. I've got the whole bus, all 40 feet, done up in every space except a few of these little 3-inch notches. That's the last step, is I'm going to cut long strips out of the remaining stuff. Out of those 10 panels that I got, I literally cut all 10 of them. All that's left outside are the partials that are less than 20 inches wide, which I'm going to scrap and use in every corner I possibly can. But, guys, we got the entire bus ceiling insulated. And already I can tell a noticeable difference in the sound of my voice in here. That was the last piece. And again, it's not just insulation. It is sound deadening commercial material that definitely makes my voice sound different in here, which is going to be a good thing. I can definitely tell a difference. So I'll get these last pieces cut up, and then we get to move on and go find some planks for the ceiling. Came out pretty good. I'm glad that I decided not to reuse that other insulation that we found up there when we were doing demo. We did save all that. It's in my storage shed in Quartzsite, but this is much better. It was not fun to deal with. I just got out of the shower and I'm still like in between all my fingertips, my back, my neck, my legs. It's just fiberglass clippings everywhere. So I'll have to deep clean, vacuum, sweep the floors, and I'm very eager to get this ceiling up here. Speaking of that, I am so glad that I have not purchased any ceiling planks yet. Billy and I, just found someone who's selling leftover 260 square feet of pine wood planks for the ceiling. So I think we're going to go pick those up at a huge discount tomorrow morning. We've got his trailer all hooked up, ready to go. We're going to connect it to my truck and go try to pick up those planks tomorrow. And then we got to stain them, let them expand, and then get them installed. And then, my goodness, this bus is going to move into high gear, okay? So, yeah. Still a lot of stuff to do, and I got to clean up all this insulation outside. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.